1. A high-performance, highly reliable FPC circuit board is never born by chance. Behind it lies a rigorous quality inspection process. Today, let's step into the quality inspection process of our production line and see how we safeguard the quality of every single board. Our FPC journey begins in the warehouse. Every load of base material must pass through the sharp eyes of our IQC team. First, the material code is verified. No digit can be wrong, as this is the first line of defense for quality. Next comes the precision thickness gauge. Copper foil thickness tolerance must be within plus and minus 5 microns, more precise than a strand of hair. Finally, a peel strength test is carried out. If adhesion fails, immediate rejection. All inspection data is uploaded in real time for full traceability, so every board has its own ID card. With materials approved, it's time for craftsmanship. Hey friends, FPC cutting is divided into core material and ancillary material cutting. The FPC cutting quality inspection has just 4 steps. Make sure to remember them. The first one is material verification. Check the specification, batch number, and quantity, and ensure they fully match the production order. The second is appearance inspection. Check the surface for scratches and bubbles, and ensure there are no burrs on the edges. The third is dimension measurement. Use a caliper or image measuring instrument to measure the length, width, and thickness. Measure at least 3 points and reject any products that exceed the tolerance. The fourth is record keeping. Qualified products move to the next process, while unqualified ones are reported to the supervisor immediately. No step can be skipped. Stable cutting quality ensures a smooth subsequent production. Welcome to our drilling workshop. Here, our drilling machines can create holes as small as 0.1 mm, thinner than a human hair. After each panel is drilled, inspectors examine the holes carefully under a 20 times magnifier, checking for oxidation, clogging, missed holes, or angle holes. Hose wash must not show annular crack. For wires, electrical connectivity must be verified. Holes are bridges between layers. Any deviation or defect may cause interconnection failure. Holes are drilled for current to flow smoothly. The next step is critical. Let's uncover the secret of the carbon black hole process. In the FPC black hole and plating process, we safeguard product quality through comprehensive multi-dimensional inspections. First, we conduct a visual inspection to ensure the plating is free from defects, such as pitting, copper exposure, pinholes, contamination, or peeling. Next, we perform plating thickness measurement using the cross-sectional method to verify compliance with the design specification and uniformity. We firmly believe that every rigorous inspection and every precise data point represent a solid commitment to the reliability of your products. Choosing us means choosing assurance and trust. When the circuit patterns are formed, panels undergo AOI and manual microscopic checks. We look for opens, shorts, residual copper, or nicks. Line width reduction must not exceed 20%. Minimum conductor spacing reduction must not exceed 30%. Materials form foundation, inner layers are the heart. Any defects have directly scraped the board. Hey friends, after the copper film is applied to the FPC, quality inspection must not be overlooked. We need to make sure there are no bubbles or wrinkles in the cover film, and the alignment tolerance with the substrate edge must be within 0.1 mm. Any defects should be marked immediately. Pass the conforming products to the next process and set aside non-conforming ones for reward. Follow the process strictly to ensure consistent product quality. We are now performing the FPC seal screen inspection. First, all markings must be clear and complete, with no smudging, blurring, or missing characters. Next, check the alignment. The silk screen must match the joint, and any misalignment exceeding 0.1 mm is unacceptable. Finally, test the adhesion. Firmly apply tape and quickly peel it off. The silk screen must show no fading or peeling to pass. Mark any issues immediately. Do not let silk screen defects affect product identification or subsequent use.
Common FPC surface finishes include OSP, HASL, ENIG, immersion silver, immersion tin, and electroplated nickel gold. What we are demonstrating today is the inspection process for ENIG treatment. First is the visual inspection. The criteria requires the gold surface to be smooth, uniform, and free from roughness, scratches, copper exposure, darkening, oxidation, or discoloration. Particularly stringent requirements apply to the gold finger areas. No dents, scotch marks, or painting pinholes are allowed. Next, we perform reliability testing. A solder dip test is conducted to validate plating performance. Solder is applied to the gold surface and subjected to a pole test to confirm that the plating shows no peeling and meets adhesion standards. Through rigorous inspection, we ensure that the ENIG-treated FPC offers excellent oxidation resistance and long-term connection reliability, providing stable support for your high-end electronic devices. Choosing us means choosing an uncompromising commitment to quality.
Before shipment, every board undergoes 100% functional testing. First is electrical testing. We utilize two methods, flying probe test and dedicated test fixture. Fixture testing requires a custom needle bed, making it ideal for high volume production due to its high efficiency. Flying probe test does not require a custom needle bed. It automatically locates test points. This method is suitable for low volume batches, prototypes, or complex FPCs, offering greater flexibility, though a relatively slower testing speed. Both testing methods guarantee 100% testing for opens, shorts, and insulation resistance, ensuring every circuit performs correctly and is properly isolated. Hey friends! FPC online inspection is key for finished products precision. Don't miss these points. The first one is edge check. Use a magnifying glass, numbers, notches, or cutting debris. They'll ruin later assembly. The second one is dimension test. Use an image measuring instrument to check key sizes, hole precisions, slot width, contour for the joint. Reject products with over-tolerance errors. The third one is a surface exam. Check cutting areas for crash marks, scratches, especially near circuits. Get these 3 steps right, and the FPC online is qualified for smooth later use. For FPC adhesive and reinforcement paste QA, follow these 3 steps strictly. First, alignment check. Adhesive and reinforcement must align with design lines. No misalignment or edge overlap. Second, adhesive test. Use light tear or tape test to ensure no lifting or peeling. Third, appearance and cleanliness check. No surface bubbles, wrinkles, dust, or debris. Stick to these steps to pass the process QA. When FPCs go through FQC visual inspection, don't miss any details. Check each bowl with a magnifying glass. The substrate must be free of scratches, oil stains, dents, and burrs. The cover film should be smoothly laminated without bubbles or wrinkles and aligned correctly. The bags must not be deformed or chipped. Mark any defective boards separately. Only those with fully qualified appearance can move to the next process. test. Why such strictness? Because this is the final step before delivery to the customer. We must ensure that products arrive undamaged with accurate and fully traceable information. In conclusion, from material incoming inspection to final shipment, more than 20 primary inspection stages and dozens of checkpoints are in place. We follow IPC international standards and stringent customer requirements. We know that quality is not expected into a product, it is built into it. But a rigorous inspection process is our ultimate validation of manufacturing excellence and a solid response to your trust. Choosing us means choosing complete peace of mind from the microscopic level to the final product.